Hello everybody, buddy. Okay, this is our new experiment where we did online tonight, our first lesson. From my point of view, it's a little bit harder and more tiring to teach because I don't get the full feedback fast enough. But from the point of view of the students, you are getting direct sound coordinated with the steps. So I hope you're happy with that. Again, I will suggest for you to do a laptop so you have a bigger screen and you can see both of us because we're going to learn more choreographies moving left and right. Okay, now I'll shut up with that and I'll show the first steps we did. First we had a basic for salsa, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We cross over with the left, we jump back into the heel, jump back to the front and point, cross with the right, jump back and point. We do that one more time, and if you like you can turn your body when you go back and basic. A little bit faster, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now our second step, I'll do it this way, it might show easier. Basic again, we're going to do again the crossing, but we're going to go cross, diagonally, back, diagonally, cross again, to your left, to your right, to the back, and then 1. The back is number 8, so you don't have time to go 8 back, because that's going to be 1. 8, 1, 2, just transfer the weight. I'll do it with a step, 1, 2, 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and that's the salsa one. I'll be making another video for you guys who lost it or you did it with us, so you can practice till next week and find it easier. All right, see you.